Hi there everybody, Maria Kleczka here with the Kleczka Group, and today we are going to show you the Taft Street model here at Webb Bexley. The Taft Street model features 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a flex space at the front of the house, which can be used as a craft room or a home office. Just over 1,400 square feet, this does fall under one of the smallest floor plans available, but remember, these are open concept floor plans, so they live much larger. Now, one of my favorite parts about the Taft Street is that it gives you the option to add more square footage. If you need an extra bedroom, no problem. You could get the loft option, which will add a bedroom, another full bathroom, as well as a big bonus room. Starting at just under $254,000, this is absolutely one of the best values available here at Webb. So here are a few more pictures for you to enjoy. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful home with us here at Webb Bexley. And be sure to check out our video library because there are other model tours in there that may be of interest to you. Look, if you've been dreaming about a move someday to a maintenance-free luxury resort living community, we understand you have questions and we're here to help. Check out our contact information below and call us because we're here to guide you through all of your options because your someday starts today.